Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is January 21st, 2025, and we're diving deep into the QQQ, the Nasdaq 100 ETF. Recent news reports suggest a potential surge in technology stocks, fueled by positive economic data and anticipation of further interest rate cuts. However, geopolitical tensions and uncertainties remain, creating a complex backdrop for the QQQ's price movements. Let's start by looking at the overall picture using the daily chart, covering the period from September 11th, 2023 to the present. Here on the daily chart, we see a series of swings and reversals in the QQQ price. Notice the significant drop around mid-September 2023, followed by a gradual recovery. This is the daily chart of the QQQ. The 370 level acted as major support during the September downturn and then served as a springboard for the subsequent rally. However, the 370 level was broken on the downward trend, which may indicate that it is no longer a very strong support level. The price action shows a clear upward trend, with a number of higher highs and higher lows. The high volumes during the price drop may suggest panic selling among investors. The recent price surge suggests strong buying pressure in the market. Now, let's narrow our focus to the period between October 6th and 13th, 2023, as this showcases a compelling short-term reversal. Focusing on this section will provide more insight to the QQQ's short-term volatility. We're now looking at a narrower time frame on the daily chart. As you can see, there is a very interesting price action between these two timestamps. It displays a sharp decline followed by a quick and substantial recovery. Switching to the 1-hour chart, we can gain a more granular understanding of the price fluctuations within these periods. We can see several minor support and resistance levels in the 1-hour chart that help to explain the daily price action. For example, the 365 level served a significant resistance which was broken, followed by the price going up to 370. Looking at the 1-hour chart between these timestamps helps confirm the support level around 365. The 1-hour chart shows more volatility than the daily chart, and this can be beneficial in day trading. Finally, let's examine the 15-minute chart. This provides the most granular perspective on the short-term price fluctuations and reveals rapid price movements. The 15-minute chart is good for intraday analysis and identifying opportunities for short-term trades. The 15-minute chart has the highest volatility of all three time frames. In summary, the QQQ shows a bullish trend in the long term, with potential short-term corrections. Key support levels to watch include the 400, 410, and 420 levels. Resistance levels remain at the 440, 450, and 460 levels. The likelihood of reaching the 460 resistance level is highly dependent on overall market sentiment and economic news. Positive economic news and increased investor confidence might reinforce the likelihood of prices hitting those resistance levels. Important events to watch out for include any major economic announcements, geopolitical developments, and any significant changes in interest rate policy. These events could strongly influence the QQQ's price movement either short-term or long-term. Keep an eye on volume changes as they can provide additional confirmation of support and resistance breaks.